My name is Paul Robbins. I'm the metabolic specialist for Athletes Performance. I'm going to show you how we use the Force treadmill in our training programs. First thing that we're going to do is have Noah step up on the treadmill, and we're going to tether him in at first. So we're going to put the belt around him. There you go. And you're going to hook it up just as if it was a normal lifting belt. What this is going to do is keep him upright. This Force treadmill has no motor, so we have to make sure that the motor, which is Noah here, is going to be able to drive power through the Force. Okay, and that's going to be driving it through the belt itself. Now, in this, there is a braking system. That braking system will be controlled right here, what's called the load. We'll use this as pounds. I'll be changing that load depending on what type of program I'm going to use for the client and what the goals of that workout would be. The other important data that's going to be on here, obviously, is going to be heart rate, and then we're also going to be looking at speed. I want to make sure when we're creating the workouts, I want to continue the speed to be consistent. That is going to give me my watts, so I know my power is going to be consistent. When I'm working with the Force, power is extremely important. The very first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to have Noah start walking. He's just going to lean forward here. I got a very simple 10 pounds on the belt right now. What we're trying to do is keep it a nice slow lean into the machine, but his back is nice and flat. Usually what I have them do is pick a point in front of them and stay focused on that all the time. In this case here, he's just walking nice and easy. We're walking at 2.2 miles an hour. His heart rate's already climbing to 110, 112 beats per minute. Now, what this is telling me is that he is actually working much harder than you would on a normal treadmill. So again, this is one of the strongest benefits of the Force, is that you can use it as a normal treadmill, but what you're really getting out of it is a lot more. Okay, I'm going to make Noah do a lot more work, and it's mainly because of that core stability that it has to do, not just the running, or in a case of a normal treadmill, the treadmill moving his legs around. He has to generate the force or the power every single time. Even at 2.3 miles an hour, if I was using this for weight loss, I know that this client is working much harder, but I have no pounding on the joints, and I'm not stressing the body, except for I definitely am making them work much harder.